and today we are going shopping. It's another shop with me series. If you don't know what that is, I take you guys shopping with me and we just kind of have some fun and I tell you guys why I picked an item and the prices and everything. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Today we are going to Forever 21. I don't ever like go there with a quest for looking for something just because I feel like it's such a big store and it's so messy that you can't really find anything. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. Anyways, let's go shopping. I am here and additional 65% off clearance. That's basically stealing. Let's go in. There's an entire rack of sports bras and I grabbed like 100. Look at how crazy. This is like all sale. Over there. All accessories. Like literally things are only like $3. You just have to dig. That's like the main thing. You gotta dig to find something good. So they said no filming. I'm gonna go do my haul at home to show you guys. But oh my god, it was insane. Like I spent hardly anything and oh my god, you guys need to see like the receipt. Literally it was like $1, 35 cents, $5. I'm so excited. So I was not expecting me to spend like 2 hours at Forever 21, but apparently they're having a crazy sale. It was like extra 65% off at all their sales. So yeah, we found some really good things and I don't even know how I'm supposed to like share this all with you guys in one haul. Ow! Oh, I just hurt myself. This is such an insane haul. I'm just gonna get through it just so you guys can see everything I got because this is insane. I feel like I hardly spent anything as well. So this whole bag, there's like 20 bras in here. Yeah, I'm really into like sportswear right now. So I found a lot of sports bras. I feel like I'm gonna just show you guys, because I mean this isn't a workout video. I'm just gonna show you guys all the sports bras like in a snippet here. And I got each one for around $1.75. So if you think about it, if I got like 17 bras and 18 bras and I spent like, I don't know, like $25 or something on all these. For some reason, I'm just really into wearing workout gear and working out. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm just trying to get that fitness body, but whatever, moving on. So the first thing, techie thing I got was this computer mouse. This is so random, but I feel like I needed one just to like edit because I start getting like cramps in my wrists because I'm always editing. Because I'm like very extra. It has like that bedazzled, you know, it's just very extra for me. It was only $2 and I figured why the heck not. And the next tech thing I got was this phone case. It's hot pink, but it's actually like a soft material, kind of like a velvet. Oh, here, I'll just open it for you guys. Oh, that was easy. Okay. What it looks like. So like, oh, it's so cool. And I got this for 30 cents. I just thought it would be so much fun. I feel like it's gonna get dirty quickly, but whatever, for 30 cents. The last tech thing, I already put it on my phone, so I was so stinking excited. It is a French Bulldog. I freaking love French Bulldogs. They are the cutest dogs ever. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. I love each dog equally, but this one was just so cute. It's only 75 cents. So, okay, yeah, we're moving on to clothing. First clothing item I found was this black studded jacket. I've just been looking for a black denim jacket forever, so I just thought this would be great. I'm not a huge fan of the studs, but I figured it was only $7, so like why not, since I can finally say I own like a black denim jacket. I normally just steal my boyfriend's, but I'm pretty sure he's over me stealing his, so yeah. Okay, next up I got these boots. I'm obsessed with like satin boots. I bought the black ones and they were like $15, but these were on sale for $7 each. I decided to get each. So I have like basically all the colors that they sell. Yeah, it's whatever. It's very extra, like I said. But I thought it would be so cool to interchange like the colors, and one day I can like wear these two together or wear like my black and my red ones together. The next items that I got, I really like tees with text. I like them for pantulog. Oh wait. Okay, pantulog is Filipino. That means pajamas. I wear them as pajamas. I also like wearing them tucked in with like a high-waist jean. This is like so me. I always say this and people get so annoyed because they hate when people say slay, but I just love that word, and it's just so funny to me, like slay. I got this for $1. And then this one I just thought was really funny because it says I'm not a blogger. It's a purple tee and then it has like pink text. It says I'm not a blogger. I got this for $1 as well. It's funny because everyone says like I'm a blogger, and I guess technically I am, but I don't have a blog if you think about it. I just have a YouTube channel and an Instagram, and I guess that associates me with being a blogger. So next, I also got this tee. It's so cool because it has like a little cutout here, whatever. I'm in the market for like just any white tee that I can find that actually fits nicely, because I realized I have a lot of black, so it was time. Sorry, I got a text. This is so great. I love my Apple Watch, by the way, because I can literally see a text like and answer it so quickly. So I feel like my relationships have proven with this watch, because everyone says I'm a terrible texter, but now I have my Apple Watch. Sorry, that was like a little promo, not sponsored though. This for $1. Moving on.
Should I send your message?
Oh my god. Siri?
All right then.
What just happened? Oh my god, I think she sent that whole entire thing that I just told you guys. I don't even know how that happened. I said that entire spiel about how much I love my Apple Watch, and it sent it to my boss. Okay, moving on. I grabbed this Sequined Tank, and it's, I don't know, I just really liked it for some reason. It totally reminds me of this one that is at an Alice and Olivia one, but like $300 cheaper, aka I got this for $2. I really like it, and I would style it with high-waist jeans for like a daytime look, or even like a nighttime look with black slacks. I got a lot of things, you guys. Like, I don't even know how much I spent, but like, it doesn't sound like it's a lot. Next, I got this, like, just a like white blouse, whatever. I really liked the back though, because it has that like little detail, so it can show off a little sliver of back. I thought it was sexy, and I would wear this with anything, literally anything. And it makes me look skinnier than I am because it like is tighter at the bottom, so that's why I liked it, and it was only $3. Then we have this plaid shirt. My boyfriend is so annoying. Let me give you some context with that. My boyfriend's so annoying because he is obsessed with plaid shirts. Every single time I see him, he's always wearing a plaid shirt. I'm pretty sure he owns like 20 plaid shirts, and he even stole mine. It was actually a men's plaid shirt that I thrifted, but he decided to steal it because he really liked it. That was my only plaid shirt, so now I have one new plaid shirt. I love this, and he can't steal this from me because it's cropped-ish, and it's like boxier fitting, definitely feminine, so yeah, I can't steal this one, babe. I got this one for, it says $5 times 65% off. I think it's like $2.25 or something. Maybe even $1.75. I don't know. It's just like free basically. But yeah, I really like this. And if you can tell, it's actually olive and black. It's not black and white. Unless like I'm really colorblind, I don't see the olive, but that's what it says on the tag. So like, I'm just gonna believe the tag. Like I said, I'm really into workout gear right now, so I decided to get these two sweatshirts. I thought they would be really cute for when I just throw on leggings. Typically wear leggings and a sports bra when I work out, and then I'll go outside and it's freezing cold because I work out at night, and I thought these would be great to like throw over as like a little pullover sweatshirt. This was $2, and then I grabbed this pastel pinky purple one because I just thought the style was so stinking cute. It's like, it's cropped and it has a hood. This with like just denim for a day when I want to bum it. But typically those are for working out. And that one was $2. You know how everyone and their mother is wearing a blazer these days? An oversized blazer to be precise? Yeah, Finally! I am finally jumping onto the bandwagon. I've been wanting one for so long, but I did not want to spend 40, 30, however much they were. This one is a pinstripe black oversized blazer. So cute, but it's actually the same exact one as this, just in a different print. I really liked this. It was only $7. It'd be cute with like high-waist jeans and a white t-shirt. Same idea for this one. This is the one that I was so excited to have found because everyone is wearing a plaid blazer recently. I know, I'm so late because I saw this trend starting back in like September, but whatever, I'm late. I got it for $7 as well. All right, good news, you guys. We are actually almost done. So we have this minty seafoam, I call it seafoam, green like suede bomber. I love this color recently. Like, I have it on my nails. I'm just so in love with this color for some reason, especially for like the spring season. This material is like crazy nice. It feels actually like expensive. Like your girl loves layering and jackets. And oh, this is actually so cute together, the stripe. Really like wearing layers and especially like pops of color. It's very on trend for the season, as it always is during the spring. Vibrant colors and pastels, just anything for spring and summer. I thought this would be so stinking cute with just really anything I throw on. It matches a lot of things surprisingly. And I got this one for $6. One more item, which is probably one of my favorite items that I found. And first off, when you're looking at it, I know it's more like winter than spring. It is a suede black jacket with like a Sherpa collar, and it's more of like a moto style because it has that belt, and it has like the zipper detail on the arms. Yeah, so the reason I got this, because I actually wouldn't have purchased this if I didn't need it, because it is spring and summer, so it's not like I'm going to be wearing this a lot. But I am going to Seattle/Canada in like 4 days, so I need to wear something that's heavy, and this is a substantial material because it has Sherpa lining all inside, and I can just throw it on with layers and layers of clothing because I do not deal well with the cold. So when I brought it to the cash register, the girl was like, oh my god, you're getting this for $4, and I'm like, slay girl, slay. So yeah, I bought it and it's so cute. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel.